How's it going, everybody? This is the 2024 Top Series 1 Hobby Random Team break number 3. It's the filler for our Bowman break, the final filler. Thank you very much. We'll randomize the list of buyers. Top list gets the final spot in the big Bowman mixer. Everybody else will get a team and a one hobby box break of Series 1 baseball. This is everybody. Go straight to the list. Think we're pretty good. Roll 2 dice, re-roll snake eyes. 4 and a 1. 5 times, starting from 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last time. Good luck, everybody. Grant.
He does it again.
Grant's 2 for 2 on the fillers.
Filler maniac.
Paste you in, guys, right here. Don't worry about this.
Filler mania.
So, Scott, you got the Diamondbacks and Braves. Grant, Orioles, Red Sox, and Cubs. Joel with the White Sox. Grant, Reds. There you go, Grant, crushing. Joel, Guardians. Grant, Rockies. David, Tigers. Grant, Astros, Royals, Angels, and Dodgers. David, Marlins. James, Brewers. Grant, Twins. Scott Lobb, Mets. Grant with the Yankees. Geez, clean sweep, Grant, and the A's. Very nice. Joel with the Phillies. Grant, Pirates. James, Padres. Grant with the Giants. Herms with the Mariners. Grant with the Cardinals. Herms with the Rays, Rangers. And James with the Blue Jays and the Nationals. If anybody wants any trades, let us know.
Hitting him with the boom. Love the boom. Chuck E. Cheese.
Let's get the party started. Let's get rolling. Trade window closed.
Grant, you hanging out at Chuck E. Cheese again?
Grant, we weren't offended at all that you and Ben just dipped out last night without saying goodbye. You just, completely.
I was offended.
What's up with that?
What'd you have to do?
Did you guys have a private party or something?
Hit the ski. You had to hit the ski balls? Did you put one in your garage or something?
$45,000. How did the ski ball go up to 45,000?
What are you doing? Hitting the top right consecutively, Grant?
You did say goodbye? I don't know. David said you just dipped.
When we were looking, we said these hits suck. I'm out. That's what I saw. It'd be nice if it was already opened for me, Pre-opened all these boxes. I'm messing. No, definitely do not have to do that. This is the nice warm-up to what's about to occur. I did all my finger stretches, deep squats, knocked it all out.
I don't know about P. John's packs, but my packs are absolute fire.
Alright, let's see what Will's got for us then.
LE 101.
We shuffled it up and wait.
Bill, this is still the filler. We're not into the main break yet. But this is just the filler. Give us about like 5-10 minutes and then we'll start the main break. We haven't randomized yet, so.
We're fillering first. Filtering through some base. Carter for the Rangers.
Herms with the Rangers.
Smith Shawver, there's a nice one. Ooh, Chris Murphy, Red Sox to 2024 on the gold.
Grant with the Red Sox.
Frelick. There's Win. Insert. Griffey, Mariners. Hartwig. We had an Independence Day of that guy last night. Resilient Red Rookies. Ooh, here's my boy. Here's Bobby. Rainbow for the Dodgers.
Number matcher high-low. We didn't plan one, Grant, but maybe we'll whip up something.
I know Grant likes to win multiple back-to-back autos. This one for the
Go.
Giantes.
Grant
Wade Meckler.
with the Giants.
Could it be a timely Giants hit? Maybe he's the next superstar, Grant. Mead. O'Neal Cruz. Rainbow Cruz.
Hard sell going on out in the shop.
Can we take out my face cam and give him a shop cam of this transaction sale happening right now?
Big deal going down in the shop.
Brandon Miller might be about to be chased. Henry Davis?
I'm planning right now, Grant.
More Henry Davis?
I'm planning to enjoy a bunch of beverages after these breaks tonight. And then get on a plane.
And enjoy some hot weather.
Although it's absolutely beautiful here today in Charlotte, North Carolina.
What kind of stops are we making in Miami, Will? I need the deets.
I'm going to the Bahamas after Miami. Going to Miami for a couple days and going to the Bahamas. And then
Jeez.
hopefully do a little fishing.
All right.
Maybe some golf, not sure.
There it is. Utani Betts. That's a card. That's a good card right now. This one right here.
That's like $10 right now, isn't it?
It probably is. Julio?
Satan cilantro now.
Really?
I thought for a minute you said Santa cilantro.
How about Willie Castro sliding into first for the Twins? For Minnesota.
That is
Nick G.
Grant with the Twins. Clean sweep so far, Grant.
Grant with the Twins. How about timely hit Angels? Sandberg Cubbies. Williams.
not seen any color out of these packs yet.
And Freeman. Yeah. Or I haven't seen an auto either.
Silver packs have been rough this year, it seems like.
They did not juice the silver packs this year.
All right, guys. Thanks for the filler. We'll see you on the next one.
And by the next one, a massive one.